Let's go get him again.
I haven't spoken about this brand in a very long time on my channel, but be warned. Once you go into the Slumberhouse rabbit hole, you are not leaving. Let's go. Fragrance family, welcome to the Rope Billy channel. I'm your host, Mark. Today, we're not unboxing, but we are giving a first impression on Baque from the house of Slumberhouse. Now, this is a 2012 release. If you're not new to this channel, you should know this. Slumberhouse is my kind of fragrance house. Absolutely love Josh's work from this brand. Anytime I could get my dirty little mitts on a Slumberhouse release, I will. For a good price, of course. There's some of them that they go for crazy prices. So if you're new to the house of Slumberhouse, this is not one of those fragrance houses that you can just go on Lucky Scent and purchase a bottle. They come into spurts, and when they are available, you gotta act fast. Sometimes you just gotta blind buy. Back in the day, I blind bought several from the brand. I have a good amount of Slumberhouse releases. This is a brand that's almost like you just can't go wrong type of brand for me. That kind of nose I absolutely love. Now this one, of course, I did miss it, and I'm happy that I have it in my collection now. Just now, my splitter actually had this bottle and gladly offered it for an outrageous price for me. I had to snatch it up. Now it's home. Now let's talk about it. It's been a while since I've spoken about this brand, so I really wanted to do kind of unboxing and first impression on a piece of paper, of course. This is a tobacco-based release from the House of Slumberhouse, so this should be good. Now here we go. I have my strip, and are you guys ready? I don't think this room is ready. If you know anything about the House of Slumberhouse, one spray is enough, and you're going to fill the room, maybe your whole home. So let's sniff out Baque. And yes, I did 2 sprays because I missed the strip. So this is their tobacco-based release. I'm going to keep the bottle actually in hand. Let's smell. Oh, I don't even need this. Let's put it over here. Oh, this is balsamic. Josh's stuff is always balsamic like no other. Yeah. Oh. This is why this is one of my favorite houses. There's a dry tobacco quality. It's almost hay-like here. There's an apricot note. It has a fruitiness to the tobacco. It's dark. It's dense. It's got a syrupiness, but he's got that balsamic quality, almost oily quality to his fragrances. And the tobacco in here, simply outstanding. Even on a strip is outstanding. I can't wait to put this on skin. Man, it's... Josh's stuff always has this thickness to them, balsamic, syrupy, but at the same time, it's got that dryness that tobacco has. Almost like a sticky tobacco release. Okay, best way for me to describe this in a nutshell is apricots sitting in a sticky, syrupy juice, thick, dense, and you have a sprinkle of dry tobacco leaves sitting beside that. Absolutely gorgeous. And there's more to this, but this, it's like a tobacco leaf. One of the best tobaccos that I've smelt in a long time. It's a beautiful apricot note. This just works. And again, the balsamic quality in his fragrances just making it like a dark fragrance with a balsamic quality. It just does it. Josh, you're crazy for this one. Just like any other Slumberhouse, I always come back to being in awe of what Josh does. And it just brings you to mind that I test out a lot of fragrances from, really cheapies, designer, high-end designer, niche, indie, you name it. And you come to a brand like this, and his signature is so unique. and so daring and so beautiful. The tobacco in here, I can't wait to see the different nuances that I'm going to get on the skin. Man, in 2021, I really want to go back to the line. Hopefully he does one of his random re-releases every year. Hopefully he does it in 2021 for a short period of time, because I'm going to start sniping some of these. Hopefully he releases some that I don't have, or anything new. But back here, a freaking winner. This thing, if you have the same nose as me, absolutely gorgeous. And it doesn't disappoint from the House of Slumberhouse. This one, a good one. Now that you heard my take, I would love to see yours in the comments below. Have you smelt Baque from the House of Slumberhouse? Have you smelt anything from the House of Slumberhouse? You should. Very hard to get your hands on, and it's one of those brands that you just gotta be, you gotta have a patience like me. And you know, if you can get samples right now, that he doesn't have anything, I believe nothing's available online unless you go on eBay. You get crazy prices though, but try to get some samples of the line. But absolutely amazing nose here, Josh. As always, a great or poor fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your Slumberhouse release wisely. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Have a good one.